Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and my cameraman just said, "Ooh, we can get high now." We were covering these on some boxes. Well, we have 4 or 5 here to open, and I used that permanent marker. I don't know about this box. It's a mess. Oh boy, I was going to take pictures of that. Inside here, I have something I just bought. Doesn't look like what I got. What in the heck? What do I got? Oh, look, it's a cereal box turned inside out. Okay, that's clever. Oh, these are my wigs. I thought it was a doll.
Yeah, I knew what it was.
You can imagine my surprise. Look at these beautiful wigs I bought for AG. Oh my God, for American Girls. I've got 2 I'm thinking about rewigging, and I saw these on clearance. Oh God, I love that.
That is pretty.
That is really pretty. It's got like a line through here, and you know what? I'm not mad about it. I like it. Oh, I like that. Okay. Now, me putting this back on, that's going to take a minute. Nobody needs to stand and watch that. All right, let's see. I want to do this carefully, 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 and see what else I did get. Now, this should be a doll. Ah, look at that. What did I get? Oh, you know who this is? This is a little American Girl doll, Samantha. I have a few of these. I bought this one. Why are there leaves in their hair lately? I don't get that. I mean, wouldn't you have picked that out? But she's going to get cleaned up, hair all done, new shoes, little outfit, and she is going into, and I'll be talking about these this year, an advent calendar that I'm working on for next year, 2026 Christmas. But you got to start these things early. Yeah, she will have more than 1 pair of shoes, not this.
And actual pairs?
Yeah, and she'll be cleaned up and disinfected, and her hair will look great. These clean up so nice. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.